Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Yes, people, Shaneil Muir just dropped the music video for Yamabella, the official music video for Yamabella. So if you not see it yet, run go check it out. If you not check it out already, let me know what you think about it. And I mean, drop it down in the comment section. So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everybody is doing good. Before I'm going further, I just want to give two shout out to two of my wonderful subscribers. So the first one is Renisha Wellington, right? So I want to go check out our channel. I'm going to put the link in the first comment. Alright, the next one is Chevy's World. I want to go check out our channel also. You see me, I say link will be provided in the comment section. You know what I mean? Just give the two of them a subscribe and you know what I mean, go and watch two of the video there. So big up Renisha and Chevy. So now let's talk about Spice. You know what I mean? Spice I represent for Dancing Rebel, our dancer. So our dancer started a new business and Spice did a little video for her. So let's see the video and then we are going to have a little discussion about it. Here goes.
First of all, at first when I ever see me like this, in a clean bathroom, I talk about my clean mouth with my clean hole. Big up my dancer, Dancing Rebel. She start the best business for Uno out there. Uno have to get them product here. It's all about her Palace Yoni product. Natural something, clean something we are talking about. It's all about the citrus wash. Organic, all natural, and you know them have the steam. That's something here, or sit pan tile bowl, get your nice hot water, and put your nice herbal yoni products, boil up, sit, and steam the vajayjay. Cause remember them say the waste to a man heart is clean all, and you have to have that nice, clean, fresh something there. You can't walk around and send about your girl. Get the herb palace, product them have the woolly pop, wash them, the yoni product, the yoni oil, and you know the yoni oil can use for lubrication as well. Big up Dancing Rebel. This is the business every woman need. Yeah, girl.
So congratulations to Dancing Rebel and launching her business, you know what I mean? I want to see the Spice has supported Spice do what she can do. She get a shout out. I just love how the ladies them are moving, you know what I mean? Them are move well progressive from where they I tell you know, see Spice launch for her next business there, where they are the Grace Nor, and then you have Jada Castle at the Jada thing. You see what I mean? I say now we see Rebel at the fear thing, right? And not to mention, you know what I mean, Mr. Wolipa young entrepreneur on Instagram, you know what I mean? Well, if a female, male I do them thing too, you know, you see me I say, but right now me I talk about the females them, you see me? Cause more than ever, me see women I start business and I love that, you see me? So if my subscribers them or viewers them have a business to big up on yourself, you see me? And big shout out to everybody where I get a try and I try if you do something progressive and good in a life. I'm ready to know, you see me? So with the video, Spice have the caption that reads, "My dancer Dancing Rebel started the best business for ladies. Follow at her palace and get your coochie ready. When I retire, my next career is in advertising. On a tag her cause she can't pay me for this whole." So it look like say Rebel never did know say Spice or do the video. She just do it out of the goodness and grace of her art. Grace, no pun intended. You see me? But big up Spice for that. Jada Kingdom and Shaneil Muir link up on live, right? Me just telling say Shaneil Muir dropped the Yamabella music video, the official music video on our Vivo. So if you don't see it yet, go and check it out. But people may I tell you them going with a bag of things on live. First them that talk some serious matters, you know what I mean? Them talk about man where hide them phone and a code the number them and thing. Anyway, me go play it, me gonna hear. Zane. So hear what them must say. Here goes.
No, I know that. I know that. Make my phone a ring now. But just flip it over upon the back. I feed them phone always upon the face. I'm not know what in my eye. Feed them phone always upon the face. I'm just flip it over. You not hear that? You not hear it?
Them.
You not hear the phone a bling bling. You not hear it? You not hear it though? Answer. I'm just flip it right over. Make them see the call. It look like say them lose them senses. Them not hearing and not see and no sight. But just flip it over. Yeah. I'm not ask for warm to that virgin you call me.
What the brother? How when you look on the phone, you say good. What? Clean skin ash.
What you mean clean skin ash no? I want to 93. What do you do there at 93? I pop up on the phone some bad number code. Them give the girl them code. Hello, Shami. Come out in the car. You know me now look. I code them give the girl them. Fire 93. What's here? 210. Oh, you that? Hello, Shami.
210.
Come on. Somebody said, Jada, what you name? My wife, me save us in the phone and I never me tell him save it, so.
But I'm like, huh?
I'm gonna ask twice now, Christ. I want to see
That
my name save
dude.
some other switch up film name, so I don't know. We're not frightened of a boy. Here nor there. And him
Yeah,
know that too.
Minka.
And he go and
Yeah,
go and over him and
Minka.
me want go and so.
Yeah,
Yeah, what you mean?
Minka.
When me save us as the phone
Oh
door.
my
Why is it with the
God.
art eye and the purple art door? And I never me tell him do it and I never me change it myself and I ask. So I
Yeah,
right open.
Got somebody get
Yeah.
to the boy phone and I write the
Yeah, I'm
name down.
sleep. And I'm sleep. Got the boy phone and
Boy,
sleep.
see I
And
can't
see
even
that look up
realize
picture and change it back. I want to sorry, I'm not there for my show note so. Who back store?
Boy! What you call them?
Hello no. Yo, love me na shop me hang up in there. Come for door.
So then the ladies them say them are gonna do a meet and greet, right? But them now call it meet and greet, them a call it meet 6 feet. See? And them a say Angie are gonna lock them up and they have a plan to get out of jail and everything. From your say life just get, you know what I mean? It just turn in a joke and them just have fun. Them just have fun and the fans them up on there, you know what I mean? And then just a go on and a go on. So let's hear what them a say about that. Here goes.
But the one at Kingston and one at Mobile.
Yo, Mobile is a must.
Listen now, after one at
Mobile is
Kingston
a
and
must.
Mobile. Trust me. So
But
what
if
I
you
do?
need 6 feet, I
Open
like
to
it.
the
I tell you between
just 2 hours.
Yeah, quick and fast.
Quick and fast, go through,
Quick
sign
and
some
fast.
t-shirt and sign some forehead and some bumper.
And some breast.
Come out and some breast. Come out there, girl will come with them bottom outside. And some parts. Come out the good girl will walk with them parts.
My
and
shop me have
just
to sign some
no,
some lace wig.
pat them. Shamila go sign no, Yamabella pat the pat them.
Yeah.
Ask. If you
Yeah.
don't walk on the microwave, walk on the microwave on the stove.
Of
Yeah.
course, pan on the head top.
Get it signed. What you do?
Make sure we're on the bottom out the door.
Wait now. Meet it, tweet it there.
Talk
And
true.
have a mask. Walk with them and walk with the and the thing them. You see me? And set up a look mic for bus to look freestyle for people them.
Oh my God.
I should be on a stage show. Andrew go lock you up the blood clot. Andrew go lock you up in the you know.
Yeah, Lord, it of love.
Let's say, look how we go turn Dexter dog there. One big event.
Mister.
Hello.
When I say so, we come keep. We say, hello, sir. We name it Meet 6 feet.
6 feet.
You don't have that for
Yes,
the
see? Meet 6 feet. And everybody have on their marks. So, everybody go down.
So the ladies them say Andrew are gonna lock them up. They have a plan to get out of jail door to make them escape. You see what I say? But people are being mad this them attack. Me say I got dead with laugh. You hear me? Because me don't know we don't know how Jada drink or smoke. And Shaneil too, she a cheer it on. So let's hear the madness who are going. Hear the plan where them have to escape. Me narrate down to where one manageable amount. So here what going.
We can't sneak in anything in a jail.
My breast big, so.
Can drop anything under the door.
Anything under the crevice, them right there, so lift up and put down. Yeah.
Well, me gonna hide the Glock. Me gonna hide the Glock under your titty. Yeah. And me gonna walk with the bomb and I'm a bottom this and just lock it up and walk with it, scrunch up and walk with it. You understand? And I would dig a hole in the jail and then you put the bomb under and put the bomb under there.
Yeah.
And thing and then it can't work though. We have
to switch part lead to the highway, so we can't carve out the something there.
No man, not the highway girl. Bush man, for east man.
Right in the car, come on the highway, them I go sister we did that for true.
Sister how we.
So we have to
can't hide.
Push the water them I come. I just take a yam and knock them out. Simple. Cause I can dig for yam. Yam always the day.
Wait now. But I have the idea now.
Talk.
We can sell yam in a prison and bail ourselves. We can sell yam in a jail and pay for the bail.
Cause yam raised in a dog.
Idiot. Wait, man, listen to my idea. Stop going like your idea.
Yo, yam raised in a
listen to my idea now. All of the talking we are doing, this is the thing now. We sell in a farm, plant yam, sell and bail. Sell yam in a jail and pay for the bail. Bodum.
Yeah, people, but me don't know if them 100% serious, cause at one point them did sound serious, like them really want to do something for the people them. So look forward for that. If them all do it, them all go announce it, cause one of the time them talk about them all go advertise and all kind of thing, but then them start joke it out. So we don't know if them 100% I go do it. But when them start, it is sound like them, as some of them talk about before, because Shaneil say, you know, I go do the meet and greet, and then them start talk, and them call it meet 6 feet, and you know what I mean, it does turn in a joke. But what I can say though, I just love the unity between the female artists them. From what day we just see them a live good, you know what I mean? We don't see no problem in a dancer like that amongst female. I guess if people are not friend them just not link, but who are friend them just link and make us see, you know what I mean? So big them up for that. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video, people. And if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. And for all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here and keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Right? So big up on yourself. And please check out them 2 channels that I'm telling you about. Saying, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.